Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great, and I know I have been irregular on my channel for many days and I really want to apologize for that, okay? So today I'll be talking about suntan, and also I'll be sharing with you a DIY process for removing tan from your hands, neck, elbows, or whichever area you feel like got tan due to direct exposure from sunlight. So sun can actually be very bad for your skin, okay? So excessive exposure of UV rays of the sun causes the skin cell to produce a special pigment called melanin, which causes suntan. So yeah, and I'm not talking about fair and dark skin, okay? Each and every skin tone is beautiful, and I will always say that. It's just about getting your original skin tone back, that's it. So yeah, it's a very effective process, and apart from removing the suntan, it also helps in dealing with uneven skin tone. So yeah, if you want to know what this process is all about, just keep on watching to find out.
First, make sure your hands are clean. Then, take a piece of lemon and add some sugar to it. Now, gently scrub your hands in a circular motion for at least 10 minutes and wash it off with cold water. Please make sure that you scrub your hands at least for 10 minutes. So, as you all know, lemon is filled with antioxidants. It naturally contains vitamin C that helps to reduce skin damage and premature aging. It also has astringent qualities. Due to its high pH level, lemon can decrease oil in the skin and reduce inflammation, and also it is antifungal. Now for the paste, we'll take 1 tablespoon of red lentil powder, that is masoor dal powder. So the red lentil helps to remove suntan and lighten skin tone with their potent vitamin C content. 1 tablespoon of curd, which is enriched with lactic acid. It has a natural bleaching agent to fight tan quickly. The next ingredient will be a pinch of turmeric, which is known for its anti-aging properties, which helps in lightening the skin tone. And for the last step, we'll take 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. The natural oils in sandalwood effectively helps in get rid of suntan. So now our detan pack is ready. Now what we'll do is gently apply this pack all over your hands and let it to 20 minutes. Please don't let it dry completely. Now after 20 minutes, gently massage it in a circular motion, which will help to remove all the dead cells from your skin. And then finally wash it off with regular water.
So in just one wash, you will definitely see a significant reduction in tanning, and just try it out for yourself and do come back and write in the comment section below how your experience has been. I would love to hear it from you all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.